Hey, and another quick topic that I really wanted to address for you guys in today's video is going to be when should you be withdrawing your day trading profits off of exchanges? And this is going to really be a helpful video, kind of like a part two to a video that we just previously released on this channel, which was titled, How Much Money Should You Be Comfortably Leaving on Exchanges, whether they be, regulated or unregulated, crypto exchanges or Forex exchanges. We have a video like that previously that we just released on the channel. But in today's video, which was also another question that I got over in the Discord, was basically, when should I comfortably withdraw profits off of the exchanges? Now, I am a huge component of compounding within your day trading account, especially if you are a newbie to the industry who didn't really start off with a lot of money anyway, because the fact of the matter is that the more money that you have inside of your trading account is going to give you the ability to make more money, just due to the fact of, if you're a newbie that starts off with $10,000, right? You, under the risk management plan, you will automatically be capped at the amount of money that you can take. But the truth of the matter is that we know that you have people that you need money to sustain your lifestyle. You might be working, you might not be working, you may have other sources of income, you may not. But another thing that I definitely always preach, if you guys this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, I do definitely recommend going ahead and getting subscribed to the channel. That way you can check out all of the different helpful videos that I make for day traders, because the topic that I'm getting into is also a topic that I've addressed in previous videos, which is basically diversification. Never put all of your eggs, in one basket. So when you create this plan, and I think every single day trader out there needs to have a plan, goals, laid out for yourself over the next 3 to 5 years, because when you create this plan, within there's going to be these rules, and it addresses the question of when you should be withdrawing these profits, because you also need to be compounding, where you leave money inside of your trading account to grow it, but there's also another percent that you're going to withdraw. And you could make this every month, every quarter, which is 3 months, whatever the case may be. But I do truly believe once you hit a certain threshold, you would create this for yourself. And once you hit that threshold, like what I did in my journey, I'm going to give you guys the prime example here. Once I hit that threshold of, okay, this is a semi-decent trading account size as far as the capital that I have in there, that I can make X amount of dollars that I'm comfortable with, per trade and then per month. And once I hit that, I'm going to now say, okay, every quarter, every 3 months, I'm going to come back and I'm going to analyze the account. 50% of my day trading profits that I made that quarter, I'm going to leave within the account to grow it. The other 50%, I'm going to withdraw this out to my bank account. Now, what I did is that 50%, whatever the amount was that I withdrew, I would break it down 50-50 again. 150% I'll put in my pocket. The other 50% I will diversify somewhere else. I will either buy a long-term crypto hold with it or a long-term stock hold with it. So it still stays in my portfolio, but it's not in my day trading profits. Like, I do have a series coming up here on this YouTube channel where we grow a small account, and part of the journey inside of growing that small account, and this is why for a lot of you Forex guys out there, I do recommend using a cryptocurrency exchange like BingX. I'm going to make a video here on that channel dedicated that BingX allows us to trade Forex and crypto, all at the same time, and we do it using the stable coin USDT. Those profits that I make while I'm day trading the Forex and crypto market within the same exchange, because, sometimes you got to be careful with all of these fees you get hit with, right? Within the same exchange, I can day trade and then in return take those profits and go out and buy cryptocurrency with it. So now I have crypto holdings within that same portfolio. So now I have two different gain sets. I have the gains that I'm making while day trading within that account, and I also have the gains that I'm making with inside of my cryptocurrency holdings. So that's something that you will definitely want to take into consideration. And I definitely feel like the most important note that I want to leave you guys with here in this video is that I can tell you a number. It's not really a set number. It's just that the most important piece of this that you're going to want to put in for inside of your day trading journey is that plan of what you will do. A lot of day traders, especially the newbies, they do not have this plan. Once you have this plan created, you will now have the ability to go out there and hunt accordingly, and you have that game plan set. And that game plan also, will revolve around your personal life, because you now know, hey, I have average withdrawing this every single quarter. I am now going to build my lifestyle around that. And as you go along the way inside of your trading journey, these things will change. Hence the reason why I told you guys, you're starting today, you need to have a plan for yourself that goes out the next 3 to 5 years, because there will, along the way inside of your journey, come a point where, just like you hit that first threshold, I'll hit another threshold where 3 to 5 years down the road, I have my perfect ideal trading account where I'm making 6 figures every year or 7 figures every year. And I no longer need that other 50% I was throwing in there. I can now take the whole 100% out each month or each quarter, and then now do that second split where you got 50% going into your pocket, another 50% just going into long-term hold cryptocurrencies or stocks. Just something to think about here. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. I'm out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.